This video, I'm going to show you how you can disable comments on your YouTube channel. So if you want to set your channel such that all the videos that you post, you want the comments section to be turned off, then let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now to get started, go to your YouTube studio. So I'll click on this profile icon and then click on YouTube Studio. You can also do the same on your phone. You can use your app and then go to YouTube Studio. Once you are on YouTube Studio, click on Settings, and under Settings, go ahead and click on Upload Defaults. Under Upload Defaults, we have two options: Basic Info and Advanced Settings. Go ahead and click on Advanced Settings and then scroll down until you see the section called Comments. Now currently you can see comments are on, and that's why all viewers are able to comment on your videos. Now if you want to turn this off, you can go ahead and change this from on to off. And now if you go ahead and save on this, now no one will be able to comment on your videos. So that's how you can turn off comments on your YouTube videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.